Okay, next question here. The normal at the point of bt1 square comma 2 bt1 on a parabola meets in the point of bt2 square comma 2 bt2. Then four options are there. Okay, meaning here there is one parabola. Okay, then here it is a tangent here. This is a tangent. Then this is the normal here. Normal always perpendicular to the tangent here. Okay, here is the one point here. The given bt1 square comma 2 bt1 here. Okay, this is a normal at this point here. Again, this normal meet the parabola at this point here. Coordinate of that point is a bt2 square here comma 2 bt2 here. Then which one is the correct option here? This is a given problem here. Hence y square is equal to 4b into x here. 4bx is the equation of parabola. Okay. Then differentiate here. Differentiating with respect to x here. Hence 2y into dy upon dx is equal to x differentiation is 1 here. Here 4b constants here. 4b into 1 becomes a 4b here. This is a 4b. Okay. Y square differentiation to y into dy by dx is equal to 4b into x differentiation is a 1 here. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancels here. Take y that side here. Hence dy divided by dx is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are cancels here. 2b divided by this y here. 2b divided by y. Therefore, here slope of the tangent here. So m is equal to dy upon dx at the point bt1 square comma 2 bt1 here is equal to substitute this y is equal to 2 bt1 here. So 2b divided by 2b into t1 here. 2b to be cancels here, then remaining is 1 divided by t1 here. So this is the slope of the tangent here. Okay, slope of the tangent. Okay, here m is the slope of this tangent, and then slope of the normal must be minus 1 upon m. Okay, minus 1 upon m is the slope of the normal here. Okay, you find the equation of normal at that point here. Okay, so equation of normal at bt1 square comma 2 bt1 is y minus y1 is this 2 bt1 here, 2 b into t1, then minus of it's a reciprocal here, minus of t1 into bracket x minus of x1 is bt1 square here, bt1 square. Okay, here you are using the formula y minus y1 is equal to minus of 1 upon m into bracket x minus x1 here. This is the formula here, equation of the normal. Okay, minus 1 by m. Therefore m is this here, take its reciprocal and multiply minus here, minus of t1. Okay, then this x1 and y1 values here. Then this normal passing to the point here, one more point. This normal passes through bt2 square comma 2 bt2 here. Okay, the same normal passing to one more point here. Okay, therefore here x is a bt2 square here, y is a 2 bt2. So use here, substitute y is equal to 2 bt2 here, 2 into bt2 minus of 2b into t1 is equal to minus of t1 into bracket x is a bt2 square here, b into t2 square minus of b into t1 square, b into t1 square. Here 2b is the common factor here. So 2b keep outside here. Hence T2 minus of T1 is equal to, and here b is the common factor, minus of b T1 into bracket T2 square minus of T1 square. Here b is the common here. So T2 square minus T1 square. Therefore 2b into bracket T2 minus of T1 is equal to minus of b into T1 here. Here a square minus b square formula, that is according to that formula T2 plus T1 into T2 minus of T1 here. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b here. Here T2 minus T1, this T2 minus T1 cancels here. Then this b and this b cancels. Here minus of T1 is there. Take a minus T1 this side. 2 divided by minus T1. So minus of 2 divided by T1 is equal to, remaining is this here. So T2 plus T1. T2 plus T1. Take a T1 this side here. So minus of T1 minus of 2 divided by T1 is equal to T2. Therefore, here T2 is equal to, okay, T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 divided by T1 here. So fourth option is correct. Okay. Okay. Here the focal chord of y square is equal to 16x is a tangent to x minus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to 2. Then the possible values of the slope of this chord are. You find here slope of the chord here. Okay. So here just observe here. Here x axis and y axis here. This is x axis and y axis, and here it is a parabola. Equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 16x here. And here consider this point as the focus here. Yes is the focus. And here it is a tangent here, means a focal chord. This is the focal chord here. Focal chord means that line passing through focus of that parabola. Okay. Then here is the circle here. Okay. Consider this is a circle. So equation of the circle is this here, x minus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to 2. We can write this equation as x minus 6 whole square, then plus here y minus 0 whole square. Y minus 0 whole square is equal to root 2 square here. Okay. Then obviously center is 6 comma 0. Center of the circle is 6 comma 0 plus 6 here, 6 comma 0 here. Center of the circle here. And the radius here, radius is root 2 units here. Radius is root 2 units. Okay. So this is a focal chord here, and a tangent to this circle here. Then find the slope of this focal chord here. Find the slope of the focal chord. Okay. So therefore y square is equal to 16x is the parabola here. Okay. Then what is the focus here? Focus s is equal to a comma 0. Here a value is 4 here. Comparing this with the y square equal to 4ax here, then a value is 4. Hence it is 4 comma 0. This focus here. This focus is 4 comma 0. Okay. So let us consider y is equal to mx plus c. Be the focal chord here. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c with the focal chord. Hence, put x value 4 and y value 0 because that line passing through focus here. Okay, therefore, so y value is 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to then m into x. X value is 4 here. 4 into m. Then plus c here. Then take 4m this side here, minus of 4m is equal to C. Okay, minus 4m equal to C, or C is equal to minus 4m. So use here. Therefore, y is equal to m into x here, mx minus of 4m, that is, take y this side here, mx minus of y here, minus of y, then minus of 4m, that is equal to 0. Okay, mx here, take y this side here, minus of y, minus 4m equal to 0. So this is a focal chord here. This is a focal chord. So this focal chord tangent to this circle here. Okay, so this focal chord is tangent to the circle here. Tangent to the circle whose center is 6, 0 and radius is root 2 in itself. Okay, here this tangent to this circle here whose center is 6, 0 and radius is root 2 in itself. Then here this tangent means here radius must be equal to what? Length of the perpendicular from center to this line here. Okay, therefore modulus of, okay, you are using this formula. So modulus of ax1 here, ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square here. It is the length of the perpendicular, here. Therefore modulus of, here put x equal to this 6 here, m into 6. Then substitute y is equal to this 0 here. So right here 0. Then minus 4m, minus of 4m divided by, then x coefficient is m here. So divided by root of m square plus y coefficient is a minus 1 here. So minus 1, it's a square here, is equal to this radius here, root 2 units. Okay, this is the length of the perpendicular. It is the length of the perpendicular from center to this line here, as well as the radius here, both are equal. This is length of perpendicular and it is radius, both are equal here. Therefore here 6m, 6 into m here, then minus 4m, divided by root of so m square plus 1 is equal to root of 12, is equal to root 2. Then 6m minus 4m becomes 2m here. So right here 2m, and take this term that side here, root 2 into root of m square plus 1 here, and squaring here, squaring on both sides here. Okay, so 6m minus 4m becomes 2m is equal to, take this one that side here, root 2 into root of m square plus 1 and then squaring here. Therefore 4m square here, it becomes 4m square. Then root 2 square is 2 here. Square root and square cancels here, m square plus 1 here, m square plus 1. Now take 2 inside the bracket, now we can cancel it, 2 1s or 2 2s are cancels here. Therefore 2m square is equal to m square plus 1 here. So m square plus 1. Take m square left side here, 2m square minus of m square is equal to 1. 2m square minus m square is only 1m square is equal to 1 here. Hence m is equal to plus or minus 1 here. Answer plus 1 or minus 1 here. First option is correct. Okay, slope of the focal chord.